Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. So for today video, we're gonna do installation for the open source and N8N. So how this process? Okay, so we can able to use and learn how to use it, especially on our dialer or on the BG dial. We will try to integrate it, so BG dial and something like CRM or other things. Okay, so for today, so for now, we will use our um, Amazon Light Sail for our server. So at least we can get like OS only, Ubuntu, the server type. Let's do the $2 server for the meantime. So at least the minimum is 2 gig and 2 bit core. Okay, so HP N8 HBT. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to use this one, the server. And then for the, okay, we will use that. Okay, this option now. Okay, create the instance. Okay, so while the instance is creating, so I'm gonna copy my IP address and I will create the subdomain. So we're gonna use this because we will configure our N8 automatically using the HTTP with HTTPS. Okay, so 1 minute. So RND test N8. So this will be our, I'm gonna copy. I will set aside from the meantime. Okay, so we can able to use it later when we generating an SSL, certificate. Okay, so for the meantime, while we're waiting our server. So okay, so it's running, so we need to wait few minutes so we can check. So we can check over here what is the, yeah, it's already done. So as you can see, we have here our Ubuntu server 24.04. Gonna clear this one. Okay, so from the installation, you need to run uh, some following. Okay, so first we need to do gonna do the install Docker and other things. Okay, paste. So as you can see, I'm using Ubuntu user, so I'm not using the root one. Okay, and then update our server, sudo up updates and sudo up upgrade. Okay, so the source code for Node.js, you will install it. Okay, so next we're gonna do the source for Node.js. Okay, okay, clear. And then sudo up update again. Let's see if we have some update on our. Okay, so from here I'm gonna reboot the server. Okay, sudo reboot. Okay, then we need to wait until our server it will turn it back. Okay, all right. So you can see getting error. So not yet turn back. So I'm gonna close again this one and open. And gonna okay. Okay, so I'm gonna clear again this page. And now we start install the Node.js. Paste. And then we need to check our version. So Node.js and npm version. Okay. Okay, so we need to run also again this command. Enter. Okay, gonna clear. And then we're going to start the installation of init8. So sudo npm install -g init8. So this installation it will take like 10 to 20 minutes. It depends on the server. Most likely sometimes it takes only 5 to 10 minutes. So from here you need to be a patient. So sometimes takes too long, but it depends on the specs and also the internet connections, how fast it is. Okay, as you can see, starting the installation. Okay, Okay, as you can see, it's now successfully installed. So let's try it and it take. So if it's running, need to wait a little bit. Okay, okay, so as you can see, so you can now able to access your N882 port 5678. So let's see what happen if we're going to access it. So first you need to allow the port over here, so 5678. Okay, and then I need to add also the following port, HTTPS. Okay, so if we're going to access, because we already have a domain, so 5678, so you will see this error. Okay, so it means our N88 has been installed successfully, but you need to set up something, or you can bypass actually this one, but for now we will continue to set up the domain with the HTTPS, so that we are on, because as you can see here, TLS HTTPS recommended. Okay. Okay, so going back on our terminal. So this is our terminal. So press, you can control Z or control C to cancel. Okay, so the N8 will be shutting down. Okay, so after that, um, what we're gonna do is, so after that we will going to configure our uh, ENB. So as you can see, we are on N8. So just remember, we are using a default user Ubuntu. Okay, so because we will needing that later. So from here, webhook. Okay, so we need this one, underscore URL equals your domain. Don't forget. So our domain should be paste. Okay. Okay, so after that, webhook again, underscore tunnel underscore URL equals, so you can copy this one. Okay, copy and paste, and then init8 underscore host equals 0.0.0.0 init8 underscore port equals 5678. Okay, so from here you can able to save this one, control O and then enter to save and then exit. Okay, control C to exit. I'm gonna clear again this one, and then after that we will going to install the database. We will use the Postgres database. So this one, sudo apt-get install, Postgres install, and contribute. Okay, yes. Okay, install successfully here. So After that, we're going to access our uh, Postgres SSL. Okay, so we are home and then PSQL. Okay, so we are here on the Postgres database. So from here, we need to create a database. Create database n88. We can use n88db. Okay, created successfully. Create user n88 user with super user password. Okay, so you can type your password over here. So I'm gonna do test 2025. So that will be my database password for the user. Okay, created role, and then give it permission, grant all privileges on database n88db. Okay, to n88 user. So it means we will giving privileges or permission to able to modify that. So to quit, just slash then q to quit, and then exit. Okay, so after that you will going to edit our Sonano. So here again, so I'm gonna copy and paste this one, Nano, the n88 env. So from here we're going to lower. So we need to type the database, our database here. Database type equals Postgres database. Okay, db Postgres db underscore host equals to localhost. Okay, db underscore, so the Postgres db underscore port equals 5432. Okay, and then db underscore Postgres db underscore database equals n88db. So these all the part that been created on the database. So we're gonna apply over here user n88 user. Okay, db underscore Postgres db underscore the password that have we've been created. So is test 2025, I think, forgot. So db underscore Postgres db underscore schema equals n88db. Okay, then save the following. Okay, so after that we're going to create the systemd file. Okay, click this one, systemd file. Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste. I have already created over here. Let me check if I can able to paste. Yeah, so I need to fix destination. It's not pasting correctly, so we need to fix. Okay, So from here, so you need to fix I think it's space 2 times. So be careful, okay? So when you modifying this one, be sure you know it. Stall. Okay, we have another one over here. Okay, so it looks great. Okay, save again. Okay, so we're gonna do reload the system D file. Okay, okay, and then we're going to install the our web server. So this is the NGINX. Okay, yes, and then we will create bhost, the bhost. Okay, for the gonna piece one by one. Some a little bit something is not working fine. Okay, okay, not sure why if I paste all it's giving me a line error, so gonna be careful, copy one by one. So for the server name, so you'll be your domain. Okay, so paste, logs, okay, okay, so proxy type n88, and then password. Okay, so gonna close. Okay, gonna save. Okay, gonna start. Let's try if we have no error. Okay, no error. So our next is the SSL certification. Okay, so we're gonna do install the following. So the Python for the certbot. Okay, then clear, paste, and then our domain. Okay, paste. Okay, generation of SSL, so type your email. Yes, no, let's check. Hope gonna generate. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully created our SSL certificate, and then we're gonna try now if we can able to access our anything. So just copy your domain, go to your browser, and then paste over here without the port, and then as you can see, a bad gateway. So we need to double check this one, why we getting bad setup. Yeah, so we're getting bad gateway. So we need to double check our service. Oops, restarted. Service. As you can see, it's not running. So going to start our init. I'm not sure if that's correct, but let's try. Okay, so we're facing an error over here. Okay, as you can see, said init error. So this is the one. Okay, so you can see this one. So we need to double check our system that we are being added. Something wrong over there. Oops. Close. Close. Okay. So we need to double check our service. So the init service, something wrong. Okay. He said, yeah, I see. So this one should be restarted. Okay, so let's double check. Service unit. Okay, install. Okay. So home user MB Ubuntu. Okay. Let's save. And then let's try sudo service system control start init. Okay, so he said we need to reload sudo system control daemon. Okay, and then try the N88. Okay, so hope it's gonna work right now. Viola activating N88, so it means activating auto start enable service. Okay, let's try. If I refresh this one, still on bad gateway. Why? If I should set up, still on bad. You're bad. So let's double check again. Okay, so I need to double check my next sudo nano xconfig n88. Let me double check this one. Upstream n88. Okay. I see I have something wrong over here. I forgot to add, so listen, 8 port 80 and then server name n88 test n88, the lags. Okay, the location proxy. Okay, should be good. And then here it's already there. Because we have your listen here, so it means our, so we don't need this day already. Okay, our lag server name. Yeah, so let's try to reboot the server again. Sudo reboot. Okay. Okay, so here we need to double check again our sudo system control. So as you can see, our n88 is not running. Okay, so we need to double check again our file. Sudo nano systemd system n88. So we have here, it's correct, user ubuntu. So
Baba, gawa mo nitang kain mo muna.
alilikan ka rin. Okay, so home Ubuntu service. So unit 8 Ubuntu file environmental file home Ubuntu. Okay, it's there. Okay, 5 seconds is wanted by multi-server. Yeah, it's correct. Sudo service. So it's only activating. Let me double check this one. So just okay. CD home Ubuntu. Okay, I know what the issue, man. As you can see here, we don't see our. Let me check. Oh yeah, it's here. I thought it's not. I thought it's not there. I'll check my env file. So work webhook underscore https webhook.url. I need to verify my password. I need to double check PSSQL. So let me verify. Test user, test 2025. Yes, already exists. So if yeah, so the DB is init user, create user with super password, test 2025. Hindi. DB type equals to Postgres. pp postgres host localhost db unique user 2025 unique db postgres SQL. webwork URL and edit also and edit port. Yes. So if I run the N88 alone, I think I have some issue on my system D, so I need to verify what issue. So from here, I'm gonna update our system D. So if we don't have any issue over there, I deleted and copy one by one. Okay. We have an issue over here. So I see, I think I just already see the issue. I'm not sure if this is the last one that I made double. Okay, so sudo system control start. Okay. Paste. Sudo. Okay, sudo system control enable. Let's see. Oh yeah, so it's working now. So only the issue on our service, so it's not running. So if I open now this, okay, going to our browser, paste, so it's working. So you can put your email, first name, and your password. Okay, agree. Next, you can save. Okay, so company like automation, IT, looking for automate, monitoring, alerting, report, tickets, others. Okay, and then myself for now, company now. So Google start. Okay, skip for now. So yeah, we are now having any data installation without any Docker process. So as you can see, data tables. Yeah, so we can create our workflow already. Yeah, so we can add execution, evaluation, etc. Okay, so yeah, credential, you can put your all credentials over here like API, MySQL. Yeah, so yeah, okay, so you hope you are enjoying our video for today. So don't worry, I will put all the installation process on my other blog. So for now, we on here, so we have successfully installed our N88. So hope you are enjoying our video, and thank you. Have a nice day. So don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel so that you're always updated on our latest video. Thank you guys, and bye.